you guys? It's your girl Jan-Kou, and I'm back at it again with another video. And if you could tell by the title, today's video is all about getting the look for less. So if you're interested in watching the video, definitely stay tuned. And if this is your first time coming to my channel, definitely subscribe if you would like to. Make sure to interact with your girl down below in the comments, as well as give me a thumbs up. Let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, you guys, I'm hoping that I can get my thoughts together, get my mind right, because this is about my 5th or 6th time trying to film this video for you all. So as said in the title, I'm going to be talking about how to get the look for less. And today we are going to be talking about some VCA dupes that I've purchased from Sex Off 5th. This is not a sponsored video, but I definitely wanted to put my girlies up on game, especially if you are into inexpensive fashion jewelry. Sex Off 5th is currently having 10% off of their jewelry, fashion, and fine jewelry, and that sale ends on April 18th. So I wanted to make sure you guys were able to catch the sale if you were interested in purchasing anything from this video. If you guys are not familiar with VCA, I am referring to Van Cleef Arpels, which is a luxury fine jewelry line. And y'all, their stuff is expensive. Their stuff is expensive. Me, first of all, before I get into showing you guys the items, I am not a fine jewelry girl. I'm not a fine jewelry girl. Granted, I would love to invest in Cartier. I would love to invest in Tiffany. I would love to invest in the real VCA, or even just fine watches such as Rolexes and things of that nature. But honestly, those are not like the first things I gravitate towards when I think of luxury. I've always been a handbag lover, so I would never really put that much money into my jewelry, especially because I kind of grew up in the jewelry era of like just gold, name necklaces, name bracelets, name rings, name earrings, chunky bangles. Like, I grew up in that era, and I'm still kind of like attached to that era when it comes to my jewelry. But honestly, you can't wear that stuff with everything, so I always try to find like a cheaper alternative to spice up my jewelry collection. And when I tell y'all Sex Off 5th is the place to go, Sex Off 5th is the place to go, because you can get really nice jewelry for a steal. So also, I talked about that Sex Off 5th carries this brand called Jan-Kou or Jan-Kou. I honestly do not know how to pronounce it because it's spelled K-O-U, and yeah, I don't think I'm pronouncing it right, but I know I previously talked about it in a previous vlog, especially when I was on the hunt for the Rachel Zoe version of the VCA dupe at TJ Maxx. So I did find a few of them, but unfortunately I did not come across the necklaces. So I did had intentions previously of ordering the Jan-Kou or Kou brand on Sex Off 5th, but when I went on the website and I did a little bit more research and was looking through everything, I saw that they did not have the matching necklaces or the matching earrings. So I decided to go with purchasing from the Sterling Forever brand on Sex Off 5th, because I at least was able to get the matching necklaces. They didn't have the matching earrings as well. I would have preferred to get like the studded clover earring as compared to they had like a drop style earring, and I'm not really a fan of drop earrings, so I did not go with that. So just far as like pricing goes, the bracelets are originally $92. Sex Off 5th, of course, you know, it's like already a discount store, so they were actually selling them for like $34, and then with the additional 10% they came down to, I'm looking here at my notes, you guys, they came down to $30.60. And then the necklaces were originally $58, but Saks Off 5th sells them for $24, and then with the additional 10% it came down to $21.60. I know that doesn't seem like much of a big sale, but any dollar you could save is a plus to me. So I spent a total of $167.61. That's including 0 shipping plus the tax. So I felt like you couldn't beat it, because it kind of stopped me from like running to different TJ Maxx's trying to find the necklaces, and I was just able to get a whole set all at once. So I am currently wearing one of the sets now. As you can see, this is the necklace, and then this is the bracelet. Now, one difference from the actual VCA as well as the ones that I found at TJ Maxx by Rachel Zoe, these feature like a 5 cloverleaf petal as compared to a 4 cloverleaf petal. So in actuality, it's more so a dupe. It's not a replica. Of course, replicas literally mimic the exact item down to trying to mimic the material, down to trying to mimic the quality, down to trying to mimic the name all over the item. This is not a replica. This is a dupe. It gives you that look without actually being that exact item. I hope that makes sense for you all. So this one that I'm wearing, it's the green color. And if you are familiar with VCA or Van Cleef Arpels, this mimics the malachite stone that they have in their vintage Alhambra necklaces and bracelets. And honestly, I really love like the green and gold. I think it looks really good on melanated skin. And when I do invest in the real VCA, I think I would prefer going with the malachite color, because I just love how you know, that gold and that green looks on melanated skin. I just think it just looks elegant. It looks very classy, and it can just bring up any wardrobe. It could tie in any wardrobe. It's small, it's dainty, and it's not doing too much. And honestly, I literally just have on like a simple black tank top and a scarf with my makeup done, and I just love how this necklace like really pops off of my neck. I wish I was able to get the earrings. Like, if I was able to get the earrings, that would just put the whole look together. But it's okay. I'm also going to show you guys the bracelets that I picked up from TJ Maxx as well. So I picked about, it was a total of 3 sets that I got in the different colors. This is how I received the package. It says Sterling Forever. Now, this is the black and gold one, which mimics the Ox vintage Alhambra, as y'all can see. It looks so good. And then I also picked up the one that mimics the mother of pearl vintage Alhambra. So this is the necklace. And then this is the bracelet. And one thing I can say about these as compared to the ones that I purchased from TJ Maxx, these actually fit my wrist a little bit better, referring to the bracelets. The bracelet actually fits my wrist much better. I have a little bit more room in my bracelet as compared to the ones that I picked up from TJ Maxx. I did buy some bracelet extenders, but that made them too big, so I always have to get help putting them on. But the ones that I purchased from TJ Maxx are a little bit more smaller as compared to these. So now I'm going to show you guys the bracelets that I picked up from TJ Maxx, and these are a little bit different because they featured the 4-leaf clover. Hopefully it focuses. They feature the 4-leaf clover, but this has like a crystal studding going around it, as y'all can see. This is the first bracelet that I found at TJ Maxx, and as y'all can see, it's a butterfly and it features that mother of pearl stoning, and this is so cute. And then just recently I was able to find the mother of pearl 4-leaf clover. As you can see. So yeah, those are so cute. I also want to say too, this is not real jewelry, of course. This is fashion jewelry. This is gold plated jewelry. So in order to keep up with this jewelry, because when I purchased the ones from TJ Maxx, I maybe wore them about 1 or 2 times, and I had already started seeing them like tarnishing and turning from like my different body oils and my perfumes and stuff like that. So in order to keep your gold plated jewelry up and looking fresh and new at all times, use warm water, salt, and baking soda in a bowl. I'm not sure of measurements, you guys, because I don't really measure, but use warm water, salt, and baking soda in a bowl. Mix it together, soak your jewelry in it, and pull it out and pat it dry, and I swear to you guys, it will look brand new again. Because I had some tarnishing on these 2 bracelets. I had some tarnishing on these 2 bracelets, and I literally bought them back to life again because they was looking a mess. So definitely use that method for your gold plated jewelry. Hot water or warm water, whatever you want to say. Baking soda and salt. Let it soak for about 10 to 15 minutes, and your jewelry will be bought back to life. Alright, you guys, so that is all the items that I purchased. I definitely wanted to just show you all how you can get the look for less. So head over to Saks Off 5th and take a look at the Sterling Forever brand. I would also say take a look at the Jan-Kou or Cool brand as well, because I think theirs mimic VCA a little bit more, because theirs is an actual like 4-leaf clover style as compared to the ones from Sterling Forever. They're a 5-leaf clover style, but hey, you still are able to get the look for less. And I just think these are really cute sets, especially if you were running around to TJ Maxx trying to find the Rachel Zoe brand. Go over to Saks Off 5th, that way you don't have to continue running around. You could just order them offline and literally get it shipped straight to your house, because unfortunately they're not available in store. They are only available online. I want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and once again, if this is your first time coming across my channel, subscribe if you would like to. Interact with your girl down below in the comment section. Let me know if you guys would like me to bring some more look for less videos on the channel. I definitely want to bring more videos like this on the channel, where I talk to you guys about how you could get the look for less without breaking the bank. Because listen, we all love a little luxury every now and again, but I swear to y'all, I'm not buying luxury all the time. I'm not. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give a thumbs up as well, and I'll check y'all in the next video.